Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone and happy Halloween. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these creepy-crawly deviled eggs. Now, first we're going to turn black olives into these spiders that we put on top of the deviled eggs. But I'm also going to show you some tips and tricks for making hard-boiled eggs that are actually easy to peel. And there's going to be some fun facts along the way, like why do eggs have certain colors? I think you're really going to like this recipe, so let's get to it. To start making these spooky deviled eggs, the first thing we're going to do is add water, cold water, to a dozen eggs. You want to cover the eggs by about 1 inch of water. That's almost there. Okay, so how to make a hard-boiled egg easy to peel. Step 1, you want to use eggs that are older. I explained this in my video on how to tell if an egg is bad or good, but within the egg, there's this little air pocket. As it gets older, that expands. And when you boil the egg, that means it won't be as sticky and stuck to the shell. If you're using a fresh egg, it's going to be. Secondly, it comes down to temperature. After you hard boil the egg, you want to transfer it to an ice bath quickly to stop it from cooking and to cool it down. And then after it cools down, put it in a warm water bath and peel it underwater. That makes it really easy to peel. The third thing is, when you're boiling it, add a little bit of vinegar to that water. The vinegar does two things. It not only helps the egg from, if you happen to crack an egg and some of the whiteness is like leaking out when you're boiling it, it prevents that from happening. It'll stop it and help it coagulate. But it also helps with the egg itself that you're hard boiling, causing it to firm up a little bit, making it a little easier to peel. Those three things are really important. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of vinegar. Now we're just gonna turn this up to high to bring the water to a boil. Have you ever wondered why some eggs are white, some are brown, or some are blue? There's all these different colors. People think it's nutrition, but it's actually not. Hens with white feathers lay white eggs. Hens with brown feathers lay brown eggs. That's all it really comes down to. It's just based on the hen. It has nothing else to do with nutrition or any other factor. Okay, so now that it's boiling, we're gonna turn the power off, cover the eggs, and remove them from the burner. And just let the eggs sit covered for 10 minutes. So if you're curious on how to tell if an egg is fresh or not, you should check out my video on just that. It shows you an easy and simple trick on how to test every single egg so you never eat a bad egg again. After the eggs have sat and cooked, you immediately want to stop them from cooking. I do this by running the pan under cold water, and then I add ice to the pan and let it cool. Once the eggs have cooled, I then fill the pan up with the warmest water that I can stand to touch. I'm going to actually peel the eggs underwater. It makes it the easiest way to remove the shell. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel the eggs. Doing it underwater really helps. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and cut our eggs in half. So I have our egg yolks here. Just want to go ahead and mash these up. There you go. Okay, add in our mayo. Add in our mustard. And just start mixing it together. This is my mom's deviled egg recipe. It's super simple, but so good. Just salt and pepper it to taste. And I just have a Ziploc bag here that I've trimmed the ends off of, and I'm just gonna fill each egg with the batter. I guess batter is the wrong word. The filling. There we go. That's the right word. Just fill them all in. Okay, so now we're going to cut our olives in half. These are going to be both the spider bodies and the legs. Okay, so now we're going to create the legs. If you're really, really good at cutting, you might be able to get all 8 legs out of one olive half, but I feel like it's probably going to take most people a whole olive. Just want to cut them as thin as you can. These will be the legs. And just do that next. Now we're just going to assemble our spiders. Put a little bit of a olive half there on top. And put in the legs. How creepy does that look? And you just keep doing it over and over. Spider body, spider legs. A little tedious, I would say, but lots of fun. Stick them into the filling there. And move on to the next one. And just keep doing it. This is a little challenging for my chubby fingers, I will admit. But if I can do it, anyone can. So that's how you make those tasty spider deviled eggs. Now I have to say, I myself don't enjoy eating them. When I put them in my mouth, I know it's not a spider, but I feel like individual legs and other things, and it just like, it kind of freaked me out. But if you're looking to amp up your Halloween party, I think this is the perfect appetizer. You should definitely give it a try. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, you should subscribe. I release a couple every single week. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I'll see you next time, and have a happy Halloween.